Hey everybody, welcome back to the episode on Mighty Mall Shop Creations. Today I'm going to be showing you an update on my AMT 1963 Corvette Stingray. So, without further ado, let's roll the intro. Alright, so I'm just going to go over briefly some things that I didn't say in my last video, I don't think. But I kind of took a break from YouTube, and I'm back now. I don't know, I've had a lot of stuff going on with exams and whatnot coming up at the end of the school year and stuff like that, so I'll try to post more frequently, hopefully. But I have... This is just going to be a quick update video. I haven't done much, but it's still enough for an update video, so here we go. So, as you remember, this is the chassis. Oh, I'm gonna paint that. Anyways, I put the radiator in, put the battery in, other stuff in there. Gotta detail it up though. I did hand paint the exhaust system. It was molded in, and if you remember, these were already puttied over and stuff, and so I did putty them over. I don't know if you can really see it too well, but I sanded them down a little bit, just enough so the actual metal pins would go through. And I haven't test fitted that yet, so I will though. Next, I have the firewall. I'm going to detail this after the video, most likely. Whoops. Most likely. Also, my light doesn't work anymore, unfortunately. But you can kind of see it's sparkly. I did this to experiment whether or not I should spray the roof of my Corvette with sparkly stuff, but I didn't, because it looks better that way. And here's the engine. So something that I did wrong with the engine, I accidentally put the wrong pieces on it, like the belt and pulley system, and I think the oil pan too. But oh, and the exhausts, or you know what I'm talking about, these things. But I accidentally put the wrong pieces on, and then I put the injector stacks, or the 8 stacks on, but it looks fine, and the hood's gonna be closed anyways, so I mean, I like the way that it turned out. I mean, you can kind of see there's sparkles on the engine block. I think it looks cool. I don't know, I want to do something different other than just flat black, but I stripped the chrome on the stacks and the manifold covers and the belt and the fan, because it was really toyish chrome, and then I black washed it after I sprayed it with Duplicolor chrome. It's a more toned down look. I like it. I think it looks better than the original kit chrome. Next, I'll show you the wheels. So for these, I just did the original kit chrome, and then I misted it over with the same gold that I used for the body color. I'll show you that in a bit. But I think it looks a lot nicer, other than just having chrome rims. I mean, you can kind of see there's chrome still showing through, and that's what I was going for. So it kind of gives a nice, I don't know, not two-tone, but like variation in the colorway. I don't know, I like it like that. That's all 4 wheels I did it for. And here's the interior. I did it gloss black, Rust-Oleum gloss black, and then I did the dashboard a 2-tone, well, I guess 3-tone if you count the chrome, but I did gold underneath. I think it looks slick and cool. I did flat black for the seat belts, give it kind of a more pop, I guess, and then just gloss black for the steering wheel and stuff. And then I put this helmet in the back. I painted it gold. I didn't want to put it on the seats because there were already seat belts on it, so I put it in the back of the car. I think it looks sweet. I like the gloss black. Also, if you're spraying gloss black, be really careful that you don't touch the surface really hard with your finger, because it'll leave a big fingerprint and it won't come out. I also did that with the roof. even after you clear it, it still does it. So just be careful if you're using Rust-Oleum gloss black. Here's the hood. This is the hood that's meant for the engine that I'm using. I blackwashed that little, I don't know, grill area here, and I did two-tone black. I don't know. I've never seen a car or a '63 Corvette done in this kind of colorway. Oh yeah, I still have to paint the underside, but I've never done it, or I've never seen a Corvette done in this colorway. And I call it, I don't know what to call it. I don't really name my models, but I feel like I should name this one because it looks like a stinger, like a bee. Because look at that. I mean, that looks sweet. I did all the chrome on it, like the door handles and around the glass area. Same with the emblems in the bottom part here. It's kind of not showing up for some reason. Wow, blurry camera. But there's that gloss black. I still gotta paint that circle emblem at the back. Did the Corvette logo. But like, I don't know, I just really like the way this looks. Oh man, here, I don't know, where's the body stand? Oh, here it is. I'm just gonna put it on the body stand, it might be easier to see real quick. Here, let's see, I'll move the camera back. Move the camera up. There we go. Sorry for the shaking, but that looks sweet. I think that looks awesome. And it reminded me of like a bee stinger because it kind of comes to a point at either ends. Let's see if I can put the hood in real quick. Show you what it looks like all kind of fit together. That's what it looks like. I think it looks awesome. I really like the look of that. I don't know what to call it. Like a wasp or a bee. I'd like it to be like stinger related. I don't know, maybe the wasp. I don't know. It looks cool. And because I've never seen it done two-tone along the roof line like that. I don't know if they ever did it like that either, but it looks awesome, I think. It's like something Batman would drive. Yeah, well, that's it for today's video. It's just a quick little update. Oh yeah, forgot to mention, there were mag wheels, but I went with the original, I guess, stock rims, because, I mean, that looks a lot nicer than, I don't know, mag wheels, because you see mag wheels on everything. And I feel like if it was on this car, it'd take away from the sharp paint, the sharp angle, like points. I don't know. I might just be like on to nothing, but that's what I think. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll try to post more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.